Question number 1. Until when will Justice B.R. Gawai serve as the Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, November 2025. Question number 2. What is the name of the military operation launched by Pakistan in response to India's missile strike? Correct answer is option C, Operation Bunyan Marsus. Question number 3. Who was Dr. Suman Ayappan, who recently passed away? Correct answer is option B, Indian aquaculture scientist and ex-ICARDG. Question number 4. Which organization launched Nai Disha to reconnect school dropouts with education? Correct answer is option B, Delhi Police. Question number 5. In which year was Justice B.R. Gawai born? Correct answer is option B, in 1960. Question number 6. Where was Justice B.R. Gawai born? Correct answer is option C, Amravati. Question number 7. When did Justice B.R. Gawai begin his legal career? Correct answer is option C, 1985. Question number 8. Who did Justice B.R. Gawai succeed as Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, Sanjeev Khanna. Question number 9. Dr. Suman Ayappan belonged to which Indian state? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. Question number 10. Dr. Suman Ayappan served as a Director General of ICAR during which years? Correct answer is option A, 2010 to 2016. Question number 11. Dr. Suman Ayappan was the first non-crop scientist to head which organization? Correct answer is option B, ICAR. Question number 12. In which year was Dr. Suman Ayappan awarded the Padma Shri? Correct answer is option B, 1996. Question number 13. Which prestigious medal did Dr. Suman Ayappan receive in 1997? Correct answer is option D, Zahoor Qasim Gold Medal. Question number 14. Nai Disha initiative is aimed at which group? Correct answer is option C, school dropout children. Question number 15. What is the primary aim of Nai Disha launched by Delhi Police? Correct answer is option B, to reconnect dropouts with school education. Question number 16. Which Indian city is associated with the launch of Nai Disha initiative? Correct answer is option B, Delhi. Question number 17. Which council does ICAR stand for? Correct answer is option B, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Question number 18. Justice B.R. Gawai will retire in which month and year? Correct answer is option B, November 2025. Question number 19. Which Indian scientist contributed significantly to aquaculture research and policy? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Suman Ayappan. Question number 20. Who awards the Zahoor Qasim Gold Medal? Correct answer is option D, not satisfied in the source. Question number 21. When was Dr. Matthew Samuel Clerical awarded the Padma Shri? Correct answer is option B, 2000. Question number 22. What is Dr. Matthew Clerical now as? Correct answer is option B, father of angioplasty in India. Question number 23. In which year did Dr. Matthew Clerical perform India's first angioplasty? Correct answer is option C, 1986. Question number 24. In which year did Dr. Matthew Clerical receive the Dr. B.C. Rai Award? Correct answer is option C, 1996. Question number 25. Which state is hosting the 28th National Conference on E-Governance? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 26. Where is Andhra Pradesh will the 28th E-Governance Conference be held? Correct answer is option C, Visakhapatnam. Question number 27. Where are the dates of the 28th National E-Governance Conference? Correct answer is option C, 9 to 10 June. Question number 28. What is the theme of the 28th National E-Governance Conference? Correct answer is option C, Viksit Bharat, Civil Service and Digital Transformations. Question number 29. Which state recently imposed a ban according to the latest news? Question incomplete in source. Correct answer is option D, not specified. Question number 30. Who is known for performing India's first successful angioplasty in 1986? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Matthew Clerical. Question number 31. On which date did India conduct the airstrike named Operation Sindoor? Correct answer is option B, 6 May. Question number 32. What was the primary objective of Operation Sindoor? Correct answer is option C, to target terrorist hideouts. Question number 33. Who issued the press release explaining the intent of Operation Sindoor? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Defense. Question number 34. What was clarified in the press release after Operation Sindoor? Correct answer is option C. The attack was not aimed at any neighboring country. Question number 35. How many major wars have taken place between India and Pakistan? Correct answer is option C, 4. Question number 36. In which year did the first war between India and Pakistan take place? Correct answer is option C, in 1947. Question number 37. What was the second war between India and Pakistan? Correct answer is option B, 1965 war. Question number 38. In which year did the third India-Pakistan war occur? Correct answer is option C, 1971. Question number 39. What was the name of the fourth war fought between India and Pakistan? Correct answer is option C, Kargil War. Question number 40. In which year did the Kargil War take place? Correct answer is option C, 1999.